Hello, my friends. How are you? I missed you so much. I hope everything is going well with you. Today, our lesson is about nouns, singular and plural. Before we start, let's watch this video.
Look, apples. How many apples? One apple, two apples, three apples. Three apples. Wow! Look, bananas. How many bananas? One banana, two bananas, three bananas. Three bananas. Wow! Look, oranges. How many oranges? One orange, two oranges, three oranges. Three oranges! Wow!
In this video, we listen to the question how many. What does this mean? That means we are going to count. What's the meaning of count? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's divide the numbers together. Pick the number 5. Look at these numbers. What is number 5? Great! Now pick the number 1. What is number 1? No. Yes, very good. Pick the number 3. What is number 3? Great. Pick the number 2. It's like a snake. Very good. Pick the number 4. Excellent. Now, here you have a crossword. We are going to find the numbers in letter. Let's find number 1. 1, remember how do we write number 1? O-N-E. What is number 1? Very good. So here it's number 1. Now we are going to find number 2. How do we write number 2? T-W-O. So here we can search for the letter T. Here you have, for example, letter T. T. Do you have W here? No. So we are going to change the letter. Here you have T. Do you have here W? No. Let's find another T. This is T. So T, W, O. Number 3. How do we write number 3? And remember, guys, 3 has the sound th. And to make the sound th, so you have to write the letter T and the letter H. Let's find together T and H. Here you have T and H. So it's 3. Very good. Number 4. 4 start with the letter F. Can you find with me the letter F? Great, this is F. 4, F-O-U and R. Very good, student. And you still have the last number, 5. And also 5 start with the letter F. Do you have here F? F-I. No, so it's not correct here. Let's find here. Very good. You have here 5. Great. You can play again this crossword at home with your mother or your brother. Look here. How many apples do you have here? 1. Very good. So if you have 1, so it's singular. Now look here. How many apples? Count with me. 1 and 2. So here you have 2 apples. So they are in plural. So if you have in English, when you want to talk about one object, so it's in singular. When you have more than one object, so they are in plural. And we add to the word s to make it plural. Let's look at this example. How many girls do you have here? 1. Very good. 1 girl. Let's make 1 girl in plural. How many girls here? 1, 2, and 3. So we write 3, and I write girl, but what do we add? S. So in the plural, we add S for the noun. A second example. How many trees do you have here? 1. Very good. 1 tree. Let's make the plural of 3. Count with me. How many trees? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 5 trees. Here tree in singular and here trees in plural because we add S. Now please open your books on page 21. Look at the picture of Miss Andrews in the classroom. And you have here some students. We are going to count the food items and say how many there are of each food. Did you still remember the food? Apples, banana, biscuit, sandwich. Very good. We are going to start with sandwiches. Miss Andrews asked this question. How many sandwiches? Let's find and count together the sandwiches. Where can we see sandwiches? Very good. This is 1. Where is the second sandwich? Very good. In the yellow bag. So how many sandwiches do you have? Count. 1 and 2. So we have 2 sandwiches. Let's continue the apples. How many apples? Let's count the apples and we can circle them on your books. 1. Who can find the second apple? Very good. Here. And here you have 1. And in the drawer you have 1. So how many apples? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Very good. So we write 4 and we put S for apple. So how many apples do you have? 4 apples. Very good. Now let's move to the biscuits. How many biscuits? Can you find the biscuits? Yes, here. Very good. On the desk. 1. Have here on on the board. 1, the second one, 2, and 3. So count with me. 1, 2, and 3. So we have 3 biscuits. Now we are going to find the bananas. How many bananas? Can you find the first banana? Very good. It's here on the book. Where can you find a banana? Very good. Here on the board. The third banana. Yes, in the lunch box. Here on the book. And the last one. Yes, very good. In the closet. So here, how many bananas do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 bananas. Very good, student. Please write down the answers on your books. And please, you have to circle the food items. Okay? And you can do exercise 5 on your activity books. Stay safe. Goodbye, my friends.